Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to set up uh, badges on tabs. So I have here a existing application which we created before, which is a customer detail screen. I have here a tab with a component on it which will list up the sales orders of that specific customer, and here I would like to see on top on the right side a little counter which mentions how many sales orders this customer has actually. So where can I do that? It's here in the tab section. I go to the second tab, so I select the tab control or the tab object, and then I go to properties to the second tab, and I see here that I have a badge, and I can say I would like to receive data from the component itself, and the property which I want to receive from, let's call that number of rows. So number of rows is what I'll receive from my component. I'll hit save, and now I have to get the data from my component, so I'll just close this one and I'll open my component. Here's my component with my data grid, and I'm going to select the component wrapper here, and here in the data source I have a section data, so I'll set that up here. I'll create a new filter which is the I would like to fetch the number of rows of my data grid, and the output parameter for that is number of rows. Alright, I set that up, save. That's about it. That's all I did. So now I'm going to the portal. This is my customer application. I'll just double click there, and as you can see, I see my customer detail information, and here on the right side of my sales order tab I get the number of sales orders which is inside the sales order data grid. So if I click on that, you'll see that now it's getting populated. So basically this counter is not fetching all the data, it just receives the counter from the grid data of this component, and just shows it here. And when you click on the tab, we actually at that stage we're really going to get the data. So if you click on that again, we're not going to refetch the data obviously, because nothing changed. Alright, so that's about it, how you can use badges in tabs. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.